Good morning students and Jai Hind to all. Welcome to our school, Saraswati Session Bhagwala course with the subject grammar, right? Today's subject is grammar and we all know that chapter number 15 is going on and the name of the chapter is simple future tense, right? And in last video we had already discussed that to frame the sentence or to indicate the proper time of the actions we need the tenses, or we can say we require the knowledge of tenses, right? Because tenses tell us about the timing, when does the action take place. Is it in the past, is it in the present, or is it in the future tense, means in the future, right? And we have already learnt about the three tenses, means the third one is going on. The two tenses that we have learnt, those are present tense, the actions which is going on now or on the daily basis. Past tense for the actions which had already been completed in the past, yesterday, the day before yesterday, last week, last month, last year, long years back, right? Some words are there. And the tense which is going on, okay, the simple future tense. Now let's revise. When do we use the simple future tense? Last time we had seen one exercise. All right. We need to fill the blank. We had already filled the blanks, right? So let's revise. When do we use the simple future? Okay, future. Simple future tense tells us about the actions which will happen in future. It has not been done yet, but it will happen in future. Tomorrow I will attend the classes. Next week we will visit Kashmir. They will attend one seminar next month, right? So these are the examples of simple future tense. The actions which have not been completed yet. You might have observed, I am talking about the future. I will attend the class tomorrow, right? Remember the word tomorrow. We will visit Kashmir next week or next month, right? Next year they will arrange one seminar. They will arrange one seminar. I have just changed the words, okay? But the meaning is that I have framed the sentences in which the actions have not been completed, but they will be completed in future, tomorrow, next week, next year, right? So the simple future tense talks about the actions which have not been completed yet, but it will happen in future, right? Simple thing, just remember the actions which will happen in future to indicate that we are using simple future tense. Now what is the formation? So first of all there will be subject, right, plus will plus verb 1, means main form of the verb. If it is give, suppose in the sentence it has been given give. So give is the past tense, but what we require? Present form, verb 1. Okay, so that will be give. So verb 1 plus object, right? I will attend the classes. Right? I will attend the classes. They will seminar next week. Right? Now as you can see will here. Okay? Then verb 1, see, attend, arrange. Right? Those are verb 1. But suppose if it is given I attended the seminar. I attended the seminar. Now as you can see here, there is ed form, means past tense. Now suppose the instruction is convert the sentence into simple future tense. No problem, very simple. Just keep the formation of the sentence in your mind in simple future tense. What is the subject? So this is subject. So I. Then what will be required? Will. Immediately after the subject, write down will. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will. Right? So I will. Then verb 1. But this is past tense, ed form. So what is the main form or present form of the verb? Attend. Alright? So I will attend. Object as it is, I will attend the seminar. Right? Let's take the second object. She bought some fruits. She bought some fruits. See, subject she. Immediately what should be there? Will. She will. Now we need verb 1 form, present form. So this is the past form, bought. So what is the present form of the verb bought? Buy. Okay. She will buy some fruits. Okay. See, attended becomes attend. Bought becomes buy. Right? So what you need to remember? After the subject there must be will, and after will you must keep verb 1 form. It means present form of the verb. Alright? There will be no ing, there will be no ed, there will be no s or es after the verb. Only and only main form of the verb, object, rest of the sentence as it is. Right? So whichever the tenses, the verbs in whichever form if they have been given, you need to just write the main form of the verb. That's it. Nothing else that you have to think. Right? First the subject, will, right? That is called helping verb, and then attended. Attended becomes main form, it will be attend. Right? I will attend. Now rest of the sentence as it is. She, subject, will, alright, we require will. Bought, past tense, present tense, buy. Some fruits, as it is. So, this is the way that we can convert the sentence of other tenses into simple future tense, right? So now let's have an exercise to convert these sentences into simple future tense. Let's take a look. Exercise B. Change the following sentences into the simple future tense. It means there must be some changes in the verbs. Alright? They will not remain in their main form of the verb. They can be in past tense, they can be in simple present tense form. Right? So we have to change the sentences into simple future tense. And to change into simple future tense, we need to remember the formation. Subject, will, verb 1 plus object. Finish. Okay? Now let's have some more idea, right? How to convert the sentences into simple future tense. And again I am telling you, whenever you have any question, please read the instructions twice. If it is not understood, go for the third time. But understand the instruction and then move forward, right? Now let's see number 1. He woke up early in the morning. So he will write as it is. What should be there after subject? Immediately. Will. Very good. After will, there will be verb 1. Woke up. Now woke up is past tense. So what is the present tense? Wake up, right? So he will wake up. Now rest of the sentence that is considered as object and it will be as image. He will wake up early in the morning, right? Early in the morning. I watched the sunrise today. Now it's in already, it's going to be afternoon, right? So today we will not use, instead of that I will use tomorrow, right? Because the time has gone. So next sunrise will be taken place tomorrow, right? So I immediately after subject will. Remember, without will there will be no simple future tense. So will must be there. I will watch. Ed means past tense. So what is the present form of the verb? If you remove ed, what should be? What is that? Watch. Watch is the main form. So I will watch the sunrise tomorrow. Okay, I will watch the sunrise tomorrow. Cooking gives me pleasure. Cooking. Now here there is no I, you, we, she, we, you, they. The subject is cooking. We are talking about cooking. So first we write cooking. Right? Cooking. Then as per the rule there must be will. After subject, cooking will gives. There is no main form like gives. It means as is additional. So what we need? We need present form, the main form. So if we remove as, what will be there? Give. So we will write give. Cooking will give me pleasure. Cooking will give me pleasure. Okay. Fourth one. They caught the ball. Alright. So first we will write subject they. Immediately will. They will. Alright. Now this is the past form of the verb caught. Right? The action of catching the ball. So that is the past form of, this is the past form caught. So what is the present form? We know everything, right? And everybody knows it. But we might have forgotten or we might have got confused, right? Caught is the past tense and catch is the present form. So catch, alright? So they will catch the ball. Full stop, alright? Say, he will wake up early in the morning. I will watch the sunrise tomorrow. Cooking will give me pleasure. They will catch the ball. Now, another 4 sentences are there. Let's see. Number 5. The stool broke because of the heavy suitcase. The stool is the subject. The stool, immediately afterwards, will. The stool will. Right? Broke is the past form. What is the present form? We all know, which is very easy. Break. Alright? The stool will break because of the heavy suitcase. Right? The stool broke. Between that there must be will. Remember one thing, right? Before means between the subject and the verb there will be will, right? And Animals is the subject. Animals. Drink. Now drink itself main form of the verb, right? So no need to change anything. Only that we have to add, that is will. Animals will drink water from the stream. Alright, full stop. Animals will drink, okay, water from the spring. Number 7. He sang a song for me. Between subject and verb, there must be will. So we will write he will. Now sang, it is not the main form or present form of the verb. Sang, that is past form. So what is the present form? Sing. Alright, so he will sing a song for me. After the verb, there will be object, and the rest of the sentence will have to means it will be as it is. Alright. I bought a bag from the new shop in my neighborhood. Oh my God, how long it is, right? The sentence is too long, so you might have thought that it's a bit difficult. It's not that difficult, right? So that much difficult. Just focus over here. First two words. I bought. What should be there between them? Will. However, the long sentence will be there. You need to focus over here, right? Subject, verb. Between them there will be will, means having verb, right? So I will bought. Again, we have seen the example. Bought is the past form of buy, right? So I will buy a bag from the new shop in my neighborhood. Right? See, just observe each and every sentence. You have to focus over two words, first two words, subject and verb. While converting, you have to just add will between them. Right? The stool broke. The stool will broke becomes break, main form of the verb. Right? So just observe the sentences. Alright? So that was all about simple future tense. First we have seen fill in the blanks, and then we had changed the following sentence into simple future tense. Alright, just keep in mind that will be will in simple future tense and main form of the verb. Alright, so we have already learned in our online classes. This is just the revision. So just pay proper attention. If you find any confusion, re-watch the video. Right, so that you will be getting more ideas. So until we meet next time, right, you take very good care of yourself.